So, how does induction cooking even work? Let's dive into the physics behind this kitchen magic. It's wild, isn't it? Water boils in minutes, but the surface itself stays cool enough to touch. With a normal stove, you heat the pan. With induction, the pan actually heats itself. Okay, so what's the big secret here? Well, it all kicks off with an invisible force field. It's basically a three-step dance. Electricity creates a magnetic field, and that field meets the pan. And this is where it gets interesting. It all goes back to a very famous law of physics. Yep, Faraday's law. It says the magnetic field creates an induced EMF, or an electrical push, in the pan. So, what does that electrical push actually do? Well, it gets things moving in a big way. These are called eddy currents. And this is where the heat really comes from, these little swirls. They're now swirling around inside the pan's metal, basically fighting against it and creating friction. And that friction is just resistance. The pan's metal resists the current, and boom, you get heat. And that's the secret. The cooktop stays cool because the pan itself is the actual heater. So what you get is a system that's way more efficient, super fast, and a lot safer. So, the takeaway? It's a simple chain reaction that generates heat directly inside your pan. Makes you wonder, right? What other invisible physics is hiding in plain sight all around you?